Since the beginning of the day, the pound sterling has been falling amid the expectations of the meeting results of the Bank of England. In fact, market participants are a bit worried. On the one hand, the ECB and the US Fed remained their policies unchanged, explaining their decisions by a difficult epidemiological situation. Thus, it's quite reasonable to expect the same action from the Bank of England. Moreover, the epidemiological situation in the UK is rapidly worsening. However, the UK's regulator has one more problem to solve. After the signature of the trade agreement with the European Union, British business faced a lot of bureaucratic problems. As a result, expenses of British companies have soared, leading to lower competitiveness of their goods and services. This situation may force the Bank of England to take serious measures. However, today, analysts do not expect any changes. A lot will depend on the comments provided after the meeting. If Andrew Bailey raises the issue of the trade agreement during the press conference, it will mean that the regulator intends to ease its monetary policy in the near future. After that, investors are likely to lose their interest in the British pound. If a Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey does not tackle the subject, the pound sterling will have all chances to recoup its losses. The euro is also under pressure caused by concerns about the fact that inflation has replaced the long-lasting deflation. Usually, investors show a positive reaction to a rise in prices. However, in this case, they are preoccupied by an unexpectedly sharp increase. The fears are also fueled by the Eurozone retail sales data. The report showed that the indicator advanced by 2% on a monthly basis and inched up by 0.6% year-over-year. In fact, the real figures beat the forecast, remaining significantly lower than the inflation reading. This is another proof that Europe may face unwinding of the inflationary spiral. This may force the ECB to take measures to curb the rise. As a result, the regulator may adopt a new stance towards its monetary policy. However, a weakening euro reflects that European business will hardly withstand such changes. Yesterday, the euro-dollar pair showed low activity. It slowed down near an important support level of 1.2000. Analyzing the current trading chart, we can see that the quote is still hovering around the mentioned support level. If the price fixes below 1.1980 on the 4-hour chart, a correctional drop from the high of the mid-term trend could be prolonged. In this case, the pair may begin falling towards 1.1810. According to the alternative scenario, the euro-dollar pair may get stuck. This could be considered as a signal of a rebound from the level of 1.2000. If the price consolidates above 1.2050, it may start moving towards 1.2150. At the same time, the pound-dollar pair was hovering between the levels of 1.3650 and 1.3670, signaling about the accumulation process and a possible break of the limits. On the chart, we can see that the price broke the lower limit of the previous channel. As a result, the volume of short positions increased. This may lead to a drop in the pound sterling towards 1.3535 and 34.65. According to the alternative scenario, the pair will be volatile amid the announcement of the Bank of England's meeting results. Analysts also foresee swings depending on the comments. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.